In this lesson, we will understand the difference between Power BI, Tableau and Excel. We all know these three tools are really important. Excel came first, then came Tableau, and then Power BI was launched. Let's see. Okay, as I told you before, Excel came before both Power BI and Tableau, and Power BI is a recent introduction to analysis and BI. Okay, data visualization, all three of them works great for creating charts and graphs. Okay, but as we all know, Excel only creates simple data visualization as compared to Power BI and Tableau. The best of the visualizations are considered in Tableau only when we compare it with Power BI and Excel. Okay, your Tableau is written in the following languages including Python and Java. Your Excel, because it dates back to even before 1990 when there was no Java and Python. Okay, it is written in C++, Objective-C and other technologies. Power BI is written in Python, M and DAX, that is data analysis expressions. Your Power BI is unavailable for Mac. You can still go to your web browser on Mac and work on it, but it is unavailable currently for Mac. Tableau and Excel are available for all the three operating systems including Mac. So Excel we all know developed by Microsoft, Power BI is developed by Microsoft, but Tableau is now owned by Salesforce because Salesforce acquired Tableau software. Power BI is cheaper than Tableau and Excel is cheaper than both Power BI and Tableau. Okay, the cost of Tableau also depends on the organization. If the size of the organization is very much scaled, then Tableau would be more costly. Okay, processing of Power BI and Tableau is quite quick and far better than Excel. We all know that. What will happen if you load large amount of data on Excel? Let's say you created an Excel file with lots of rows and columns, then loading issues can occur. Then data analytics capabilities, Excel is not better than Tableau and Power BI, we all know. The analytics capabilities of Power BI and Tableau is quite good, but still it is considered that Tableau wins the race in the analytics capabilities. Reports, Excel is having limited capabilities in report creation. Okay, so reports are more interactive when you work with Power BI and Tableau. When we analyze dataset, I just give an example of Excel file. Let's say you have heavy Excel files, large Excel files with lots of rows and columns, then Excel may create issues. Okay, but Power BI and Tableau easily supports a lot of different formats, and even if the file is huge, there won't be any such problem with Power BI and Tableau. Enterprises, generally Excel is preferred by small enterprises and Power BI and Tableau are mostly preferred by large enterprises. Power BI is also a software that can be used by small enterprises. Okay, so guys, we saw the difference between one of the top three tools for analyzing data, creating visualizations, creating reports. Thank you for watching the video.